YouTube isn't just for cat videos. It's a massive platform where creators can earn serious money. Whether you're a gamer, teacher, or comedian, there's a place for you. But it's not just about passion. Success requires understanding the game. This means picking the right niche, making high-quality videos, and knowing how to make money from your content. Think of YouTube as a gold mine. There's gold for everyone, but you need the right tools and strategies to find it. This guide will give you the tools to start digging. We'll explore the most profitable niches in 2024, break down YouTube's monetization secrets, and give you actionable tips to maximize your earnings. Are you ready to become a YouTube gold digger? Let's go! Finding the right niche is crucial for YouTube success. Your niche is your specialty. What are you passionate about? What do you know a lot about? Here are some of the most profitable niches on YouTube in 2024. Gaming, streaming, blogs, tutorials, entertainment, music, politics, finance, curiosities, and product reviews. These niches are a starting point. The key is to find your passion and create high-quality content. Research your competition. Find your unique angle. Stand out from the crowd. Once you've built a following, it's time to monetize your channel. YouTube offers several ways to earn ad revenue: channel memberships, super chat and super stickers, merchandise shelf, and YouTube premium revenue. To be eligible for monetization, you need to follow YouTube's rules. You need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the past 12 months. You also need to follow YouTube's community guidelines and copyright rules. Once you meet the requirements, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. Section 4. Playing the long game, video length and earnings. The length of your videos can impact your earnings. Longer videos have the potential for more ads, which means more revenue. But don't make videos longer just to make more money. Viewers can tell when content is padded. Focus on creating high-quality, engaging content that keeps viewers hooked. If a video needs to be 10 minutes long to deliver the value, make it 10 minutes long. If it only needs to be 5, keep it concise. The key is audience retention. How long do viewers watch your videos? The longer they watch, the more ads they see. YouTube's algorithm favors videos with high retention rates. It's better to have a shorter, highly engaging video than a longer one that people click away from. Experiment with different video lengths and track your analytics. See what works best for your audience and your niche. Section 5, AI, your new best friend. Artificial intelligence is changing the way we create content. AI tools can help YouTubers save time and improve their videos. They can help with tasks like video editing. AI-powered tools can help you edit videos faster and more efficiently. They can automatically cut out dead air, add transitions, and even color grade your footage. Transcription and subtitles. AI can transcribe your videos and create subtitles automatically. This makes your content more accessible to a wider audience. Content ideas. AI tools can analyze trends and suggest video ideas based on your niche. Thumbnail generation. Create eye-catching thumbnails that attract viewers with AI-powered tools. While AI can be a powerful tool, it's important to remember that it's not a replacement for human creativity. Use AI to streamline your workflow, but don't let it dictate your content. Your unique voice and perspective are what will make you stand out on YouTube. Section 6, future-proofing your channel. The YouTube landscape is constantly changing. New trends emerge, algorithms evolve, and the competition is fierce. To stay ahead of the game, you need to adapt and evolve with the platform. Here's how to future-proof your channel. Embrace short-form video. Platforms like TikTok and YouTube Shorts are exploding in popularity. Create short, attention-grabbing content to reach a wider audience. Engage with your community. Respond to comments, run polls, and host live Q&A sessions. Build a loyal community around your channel. Collaborate with other creators, cross-promote your channels, reach new audiences, and bring fresh perspectives to your content. Stay informed about trends. Pay attention to what's popular on YouTube and in your niche. Don't be afraid to experiment with new formats and ideas. Be consistent. Upload new content regularly to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Section 7, YouTube success in 2024 and beyond. YouTube offers immense potential for creators to earn money, share their passions, and build a community. Success on YouTube takes hard work, dedication, and a deep understanding of the platform. By choosing the right niche, creating high-quality content, and mastering YouTube's monetization tools, you can turn your channel into a gold mine. Embrace the power of AI, stay ahead of trends, and never stop learning. The future of YouTube is bright, and with the right strategies, you can shine as a creator. Go out there, make awesome videos, and strike YouTube gold.